My name's Mel, welcome to my world, and if you're new to my channel, at the moment I'm turning this Ford Transit into a stealthy off-grid camper van. Now if like me you're the proud owner of a Ford Transit or any other Ford for that matter that's been built between the year 2000 and 2012, when I say any Ford, I've got a list here: a Ford B-Max, a C-Max, a S-Max, a Fiesta, a Focus, a Mondeo, Transit Connect, then the chances are you've got one of these ignition switches. If you're having trouble starting your vehicle, it's very probable that it's this switch. If your engine turns over and doesn't start, then this is the problem. Yeah, if you own a Ford between 2000 and 2012, get yourself one of these, and next time you go to the garage, get a mechanic to change it for you. But like me, if you're a DIY, do it yourself. I'm going to show you how simple it is to do right now. Okay, so here's the steering column here, and if you've got an auxiliary switch for your stereo, you're going to need to remove this first, but you're also going to need to remove this panel here. Now to remove this panel, it goes all the way around, simply just pull it and it will come off. It's on clips, see those clips? So you take that off. Now to remove the auxiliary switches for your stereo, there's a little tiny button just there. You can just see it, and if I can find it, so excuse my head, there you go, just push it there and it comes out, and you need to unplug that. There's a simple little push in plug there, like that, so that bit comes out. I'll just show you what that is. That's your stereo control, auxiliary stereo, and then simply undo these and get it in. Oh, it's so cold, I can't find the hole. Yeah, I said I'd make this easy, didn't I? Undo this. See how quick and easy this is to do. It's just a bit fiddly finding the hole. There you go. I'm sure the old fella in the garage could have found it quite simply, quicker than me. And that simply comes off like that. Thread that piece of wire out, and there you go. There is the switch. It's as simple as that. Yep. Now, I wasn't going to take it out, but I will. Push that switch in there. Push this. I'll use this. Make it easier. That's your switch. That's the wire. That's the electrics disconnected. And then get my finger up in there. Here's one I did earlier. That's what I should have said, isn't it? Oh, it's too cold. That's it. Oh dear. I've jinxed myself. There you go. That's your switch. Now when you get your new one, this is the new one, I've just took this out just for your benefit. Make sure this slotted hole is in the same position. When this one came, it was slotted the other way, so you need to turn that. You need to turn it to make sure it lines up with your key. And that's it. That's as simple as that. That's how easy they are to change. Now, just put it back. Simple matter of line it up, push it in. Oh, move that wire out of the way. Put the plug in like that. That's it, done. It's as simple as that. It really is quite simple to do. I won't film myself putting all this back on, or shall I? No, I won't, that'd be too boring. So there you go, it really is a simple job. Yeah, it took all of 4 minutes according to my camera. Alright, let's just turn this off. I'll take. Well, that went surprisingly well, which just demonstrates how simple these are to change. So if you own a Ford and it was built between 2000 2012 and it's given you a little bit of trouble starting, the chances are it is this switch. But even if it's not giving you trouble, I recommend changing this switch anyway as a bit of preventive maintenance. So there you have it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Maybe consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below and I'll see you on the next one.